Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today we are going to do the topic of wild animals in grade 2 science. First, let's see the terminology that we are using here. Herbivores, carnivores, scavengers. Herbivores are plant-eating animals, carnivores are flesh-eating animals, and scavengers are animals that feed on dead animals. Now, animals that live in forest are called wild animals. We cannot keep them in our houses. We can see wild animals in a zoo. I hope you all have visited zoo to see wild animals. Wild animals have different shapes and sizes. Now here are some examples. These are tigers, zebras, giraffes, bears, deers, owls, and snakes are some other wild animals. Now these are wild animals. Let's see. It's a lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, fox, deer, owl, crocodile, snake, mongoose, squirrel, tiger. From all of these, only and only squirrels can be seen. Rest all of them can be seen in a zoo. Where wild animals live. Wild animals live in different types of homes. Some animals make their home on their own. Some others live in natural shelters. Elephants, zebras and deers rest under the shade of trees. Chimpanzees, monkeys and gorillas live on under the trees. So here we have some examples. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A spider lives in a web. A bird builds nests. A lion lives in a den. Birds make nests to lay eggs and keep their babies safe. Animals like moles, rats, mongoose, snakes and rabbits live in holes in the ground. So see, mongoose, snakes and rabbits, they make their homes in the holes of the ground. What wild animals eat? Wild animals eat different kinds of foods. Animals such as deer, giraffe, zebras and elephants eat grass and leaves. They are called plant eaters or herbivores. Animals such as lions, tigers, cheetahs, wolves and crocodiles eat flesh of other animals. They are called man eaters or carnivores. What wild animals eat again? Let's see. Now here we are going to talk about first the scavengers. Animals such as hyenas, jackals and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. Scavengers keep the jungle clean. And animals such as bears, cats, dogs and cows eat both plants and flesh. They are called omnivores. Now since we are through with our chapter, now we are going to do the exercises of it. Tick the correct answer. Which animal lives on trees? Monkey, squirrel, birds, or all of these? Yes, all of these. Which animals are known as wild animals? Elephant, wolf, lion, horse, goat, cow, dog, cat, parrot, none of them. You take the correct one. Which animals eat only plants? Cow, wolf, tiger, fox. It's cow. This animal which helps to keep the forest clean, eating dead animals, they are called scavengers, and that is jackals. Now, fill in the blanks with the given words. Here are my words. Now we're going to fill the blanks. A bird built a dash. Yes, it's a nest. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A lion lives in a den. Lion's house name is den. A cow lives in a shed. Answer these questions. Where do animals live? Wild animals live in the forest. What are wild animals? Give me examples. Animals which live in the forest are wild animals. Example, lion and bear, or maybe tiger, or maybe an elephant. You can write anything. Name two animals which eat other animals for food. They are tiger and hyena. Now cross the odd one from the each group. That means it doesn't match with it. Cheetah, lion, deer, fox. It's cheetah is correct. Lion is correct. Deer doesn't match here. And ox is correct. So that means this is one category of animals. Camel doesn't match. Tiger is correct. Crocodile is correct. And mongoose is also correct. So they also come in one category. Now domestic animals. Is lion a domestic animal? No. Buffalo is a domestic animal. Goat is a domestic animal. And cow is also a domestic animal. So these three animals comes in one category. Now sheep is again a domestic animal. Cow is again a domestic animal. Is zebra a domestic animal? No, it's not. Cat is a domestic animal. You can take the cat at home. Now let's write few lines on wild animals. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat flesh are called carnivores. Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some animals live in holes in the ground, and animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Hope you all liked it. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment how many wild animals you see in the zoo.